Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix lights and fans stay on after shutdown. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This can be frustrating and may also worry you if you think your system isn't fully turning off. The first solution is to adjust your power plan settings. Start by opening the Start menu, then search for Edit Power Plan and click on it. Once it opens, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. From here, expand PCI Express, then click on Link State Power Management. You'll see one or two options depending on your system. Click the drop-down menu and set it to Off. If you're using a laptop, make sure both On Battery and Plugged In are set to Off. After that, click Apply and then OK. If the issue is still happening, move on to the second solution. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel and open it. In the top right corner, make sure View By is set to Large Icons. Once done, then click on Power Options. On the left-hand side, click Choose what the power button does, then select Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Now, look for the option. Turn on Fast Startup. If it's enabled, make sure it's unchecked. Click Save Changes, then restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. If the problem still persists, try the final solution. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: shutdown /s/f /t/0. After typing the command, press Enter. This will force your system to shut down completely. Once your computer turns off, turn it back on and check if the issue has been fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix lights and fan stay on after shutdown. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.